students. I hope you all are fine. Children, last video I gave you a brief introduction on the chapter Harappan Civilization. There we learned that Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are the two important sites of Harappan civilization. Naturally, a doubt may arise in our mind. Where are these places now? Because this is the first known civilization in India. In Indian map, these places are not included, and we did not learn these places in our studies, right? To clear this doubt, you take page number 60 and see the map. See, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, these two are the important sites, and it lies on the banks of the river Indus. These two places are now not in India. It is in Pakistan. So we know in 1947 India was partitioned, and some part of India, especially some Muslim majority areas of India, became part of Pakistan. This is the reason why now Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are not included in India. We know Harappan civilization was the first civilization or the earliest known urban culture of the Indian subcontinent. Why? Because before this civilization, they did not develop an advanced life or civilization. Means you cannot compare our present day life with the past. And the Harappan civilization was about 8,000 years old. And you know what is the occupation? Their occupation was agriculture. For agriculture and cultivation, what is required most? Can you say? What? Fertile soil and water. Where these two things are available? Near the riverside or river valleys. This is the reason why early civilization in the world like Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian, Chinese and our Harappan civilization was originated near the river valleys. And these civilizations are known as river valley civilizations. Okay, let me go to the next part, that is the origin of the civilization. It is given in your book that Harappan civilization evolved out of early agricultural villages. Where it is evolved? It is evolved from villages. Means how? How this civilization developed from the villages? I think those who are listening my video got this answer. Clear? Anyway, I repeat the answer. We know the first farmers, they liked living near the river because they needed river water to drink, wash and irrigate the fields. Slowly, many farmers lived together in villages, and these villages grew over time into large cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Archaeologists have found the remains of early agricultural villages in central and southern Balochistan. Again, they mention about the early agricultural village at Amri. See in your map, there is Amri. Where it is Amri? It is now in Pakistan. And which archaeologist field evolved into Harappan civilization. It means archaeologists they say that Amri was once a village. So that is the beginning. It evolved out of villages, agricultural villages. So archaeologists they say that Amri was once a village. Slowly it matured and developed into an advanced stage of a civilization. From this, I think you understood that how civilization developed from the villages. Next, we learn about the extent or the spread of the civilization. For many years, it was believed that this civilization was limited to the valley of the river Indus and its tributaries, so that it got the name Indus Valley Civilization. Because when the archaeologists unearthed the remains, they got all the things, all the old remains of the early life of the people near the Indus River and its tributaries. But later excavation, however, revealed that this civilization was spread over a large area. They all agree the point that Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are the most important sites. So all the historians they believe that Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are the two most important sites. But the civilization spread over a large area. Like then you see page number 60. Page number 60, you see that. See, you can see that we already learned that Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, Chanhu-daro, Amri, Kotdiji, all these places, okay, all these places I am together saying, these places lies in Pakistan. Okay, then Rangpur, Lothal and Rojri, this lies in Gujarat. Okay, so next, Rupar in Punjab and Banawali in Haryana and Kalibangan in Rajasthan, Alamgirpur in Uttar Pradesh. So, means the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are the important sites they discovered. But this civilization spread over a large area. Okay, these are the places they got the remains of the ancient civilization. So, children, do you know what is the date of the civilization? It is not easy to get the correct date of the civilization because Harappan people did not have any written materials. They did not keep any written materials like book, newspaper, journals, etc. So, we can depend only on archaeological sources like the old remains of their buildings, seals, pottery, jewelry, beads, statues, etc. Clear? So, Sir John Marshall, he found some similarities between the seals discovered at Mohenjo-daro and Sumer. Okay? So, he believed that Harappan civilization developed between 3250 and 2750 BC. But modern archaeologists, they used some new methods like radiocarbon date testing and all. They date it roughly between 2500 and 1500 BC.